I just want to bow and tremble for our leaders on the high table and say congratulations to the honoree of today, Rotimi Amechi. Amechi is a good example of common sense revolution. In the course of the historic campaign for the 2015 presidential election, I was very emphatic that the election itself was a common sense and opportunity to popularize the test, the noble idea of common sense revolution in Nigeria. Soon enough, we find in the resonance of the APC change mantra to get literally electorate and confirmation that Nigeria needed a common sense revolution that is non-violent. Indeed, I have a publication with the title authored by me in which I argue that Nigeria was ripe for a change of leadership and the Nigerians must act in a common sense and national way in choosing their leaders. The result of the March presidential election and that of April have demonstrated clearly the desire by Nigerians for change. Election over, both leaders and citizens must brace up to meet the challenges required to build a better, more prosperous nation. Indeed, even as we subscribe to the tenet of common sense revolution, we must retool ourselves. The new leadership must embark on policies that will improve the general well-being of the masses of the people. Permit me to recall here how I once attempted to encapsulate the idea of common sense revolution. This revolution is not a violent one. To tear things down, it is a revolution to rescue us all from violence, injustice, and poverty. It is a positive one to rescue, relieve Nigeria and repair the structure of the nation and its institution in a way that further collective prosperity and well-being of our country is assured. The only violence that is to be done is to violence itself, injustice, poverty, and so on. At its essence, a common sense revolution is a call to return to a level of decency in the relationship between government and the government, between each one of us and its neighbor. It was at the commissioning of the People-Centered Project, March 2023, that 2015 in Kano, under the leadership of one of us, Governor Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso. We're here today because one of the generals in the common sense revolution army, Rotimi Amechi, is low. I'm willing to show the world that he has achieved in the task to chart the critical path to social, political, economic emancipation of the people, whose mandate he enjoyed for 8 years. I say congratulations. We are in this hall enjoying the benefit of a signed construction. Let me tell you, the whole too is part of a common sense revolution. Why? This is a reference dump to the new Lagos, if you remember. Reference dump. Our friend, Jimobia, congratulations. Big party. Because when we asked him to excavate, pay whatever price to the government that we really derive revenue from the taxation and the hospitality, he took the risk. And the risk, I believe, is paying off. This is a beautiful investment today, and it's part of common sense revolution. Good endeavor. Amici, thank you for being a general. In my view, I'm gathering to celebrate the landmark achievement of you as one of us, a brother, and the governors in the River State in the last 8 years. It's also another justification to celebrate the celebration of common sense revolution for development. Governor Amechi are boastful, and most of the governors thought of a different direction or deeper without derivative. 36 minus 16 equal x. If x is greater than 36, suggests you fail democratic arithmetic. He resisted it, we join him in the resistance. Of course, how can a leader educate and be responsible for the future of our citizens if they cannot do a division of some total of a number 36? We're glad today that we decided to get rid of that leadership with the general. You can therefore imagine how much gratified I feel. I think at the immense intellectual efforts invested in the computation dynamics of change, the Amechi years, we've had a very robust review from Bishop Cooker. I thought of a great documentary of Amechi legacy for 8 years as a governor. Yes, high quality schools, hospitals, roads, bridges, security, and human capacity projects, among others. Richly documented in the book, are a testimony that social democratic ideas can indeed be implemented in our climate. It is our hope that the legacy of governance for genuine development that Amechi is leaving behind in River State will inspire the state government to make the welfare and the effort upon which Nigeria must operate in order to reach our potential. Road may go on from here to continue to serve Nigeria in key position. It will not be alone. It will share the company of many change agents and professionals who have passed their lots with the new political order under the leadership of President-elect General Muhammadu Buhari. Once more, I congratulate Governor Amechi as he leaves behind this proud legacy in River State. More to come. God bless you. God bless you.
Thank you very much, Aṣáájú Amechi Bola Tinubu. We welcome the